Introduction. Every week, our Local Voices series meets a resident who has a story to share. Today, we're at the Maple Street Community Garden, where Sarah has been tending her little plot for 6 months. What started as a hobby has turned into quite the mystery. Sarah?
Okay, so I have killed every single plant I've ever owned. Every single one. So when I joined this community garden, I kept my expectations very low. I planted a few zucchini seeds, but they were tiny, sad little things. Until one morning, I found a giant zucchini in my plot, almost the size of a football, and tucked under it a little note that said, "Keep watering, the garden ghost." So I spied on my own garden at 6 a.m., and do you know who I saw? My neighbor, Mrs. Henderson, sneaking in at dawn to water my plants and leave notes. When I confronted her, she just smiled and said, "Every gardener was a beginner once, dear." Now we share everything. And I've learned this garden isn't about vegetables. It's about the people who help you grow when you think you can't.